What's up, guys? Welcome back to another video. Today I'm with Bucket Man, and today we are magnet fishing in Grimsby, just by the docks. Well, near town, the back of town basically, and we're just trying to see what we're trying to find. We've hooked some big things like towards towards that area. It's big and it's heavy and we're trying to pull it out, but we just keep kind of finding goop. Absolute goop.
Alright, ready for this, guys?
So
It's getting thirsty. What?
It's getting wet.
Got it again. Got it again. Got it again.
Oh, he's got it again.
We're hoping to find
Something.
guns or whatever.
Just anything really. That's. Oh, it's got a knot in it. Oh, we're just trying to sort out a knot. There we go.
No, what not? I can't see it now.
Oh yeah, what knot? Are you pulling something big?
Don't put your hands on it. It's disgusting.
Yeah, but yeah, do it towards like the bottom. He's just kind of yanking it, well, pulling it very slowly as much as he can to try, because the magnet does actually connect. It connects to like the poles. But
I've got something here. I've got something right here. I think it might not think of this. But they have done the clean out as well before this whole thing.
is it still on there? No.
Actually, hang on. No, it's off.
Nothing again.
Nothing, guys.
So.
Oh, it's absolute manking. It's disgusting.
Yeah, I know.
Oh, hang on. That's
It's muck.
right, guys.
Try yeet it towards like that area. Got it in the reeds.
Yeah.
And I got wet. Fun.
Yeah, same here.
Yeah, we both got wet doing it.
Oh, it's getting wet.
Yeah.
I've got it again. I've got it again.
I know, whatever that is. Do you reckon the hook?
What?
Do you reckon hook? No. I just pulled it as slow as possible. That's what I was doing earlier, trying to get it.
Wait. It's something there. There's something in it.
Yeah.
It's got a hook on it as well. Right, do you want to grab part the bucket list version?
Yep.
It's me getting
And the bucket.
It's on the jacket. It's on the jacket.
Oh yeah, it's a. So
Just like how sharp it is.
this, honestly, I won't recommend it, but that is like extremely sharp. So we're just gonna put it onto the bottom of that while connect it.
Oh, it's just.
That's mank.
Yep.
That's disgusting.
Not really fast.
If you want to undo that, and I'll
Pull
just,
it down. Oh yeah.
yeah. So we're just gonna put the hook on.
Thank you.
You're welcome. Yep. So now we're just gonna see if we can get it towards kind of that area there.
Stand back, positioning it so it's fine. Yeah, stand back.
Oh, yeah, we just kind of pulled that out. It was here. Someone just like dumped it in there. So we just kind of like, well, I yanked that out actually. I used the grapple to pull it out, and then obviously you got something. If you can grab that, and it's just gonna drag it, I reckon. But yeah, no. Oh, bubbles. I see bubbles.
It's heavy.
Yeah.
Hope to see it.
Oh,
Just that one there, hoping to find stuff.
just anything really.
That's fine. I mean, sorry. That's fine.
It's fine.
Let's hope John turns up. So we'll go with my phone. You know the phone, isn't it?
It's the underneath.
So the phone have me in contact to cover it.
Yeah, I know.
It's still absolute.
Just, yeah. Yeah.
Oh, for fact, it's working on.
Nope. You can the odd one.
Absolute. There goes my words.
It's gonna go on my channel, so it don't matter.
Yeah, no, it's fine. But that's just.
Yeah, if it's the odd one, it's fine. But
Right, I'm going straight up now. I'm going straight up. Oh, hang on. Whoa. Ah, safety caution. Didn't actually take the magnet fully. That's what I should have done. Just let them all know. If you are using magnets, guys, make sure you tie them up properly because you will lose them all and you won't have able to get them back. So.
unless you go swimming in it, but I wouldn't recommend it.
Do not go swimming. It's actually gross as hell. Right, stand back.
Yeet it towards the.
Wow.
Drenched again, yeah.
Yep, absolutely. Do you use my car to get us food? Sure.
I will in a minute.
Oh, hang on. Nothing again.
Again.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's towards like that area, and it's just kind of like.
Hang on.
Oh, yeah. No, I see the tension on the line. Yeah. So, this is how you can tell there's something on, because that line will just be like really tight.
It's gone off. It's gone off. No, that's it.
Oh, it's still on.
Wi-Fi.
Just keep dragging it very slowly. Nah.
Yeah, tension again though.
Yeah, I see it. What is that?
It's weeds, I think. I'm not too sure. But
No, I see metal.
metal.
I saw metal for a second.
So what happened?
Don't think so.
It's heavy as hell though. Jesus.
Wait.
Is that what it is, guys?
No, it's just muck again.
Oh, absolute.
Oh, it's caked in it.
Yep. Worst thing you want to do, guys. Stones. Everything. Let's check this like my password anymore. Oh, that one.
What's that? Oh, damn.
It's a shell thing.
Yeah, it's a shell.
Well, good looking shell though. Guys, if anyone knows what type of shell it is, then let us know in the comments.
I think it's a snail shell.
Well, I don't know. That's the comments as well. This magnet is just gross and absolutely disgusting. Oh, this is.
We'll just throw it back.
Yeah.
Boop. Oh, disgusting.
Right, you are set back massive sorties.
I know.
You want left or right? Left.
Go up there. Yeah. Actually, I look like a good cast, to be fair. I know. It hurts your shoulders.
Yeah,
We're just going to take a quick break, but we'll be back in a minute, you guys.